Dear student, today we are going to see the topic of deduction and discontinuity in digital image processing. Today we are going to see this topic. The first before entering into the discontinuity, what is segmentation? The image is splitted into or divided into small parts. Each and every part is called as a region. So this part is splitted in the form of pixel, collection of pixel which are of the same characters. So this is called as a segmentation. Okay, if you process the image in a small part, it's a very easily we can edit the image, update the image. But in the case of entire image, it take a more time, and also it's a very complex one. So that's why in the segmentation is a very important for the image processing. Okay, so the images are splitted or divided into the regions, region wise. Okay, each region has a same characters. Okay, the pixels are the collection of pixel of the same characters. Okay, here now we move to the deduction and discontinuity. Okay, in the discontinuity based segmentation can be classified into three approaches. One is a point deduction, line deduction, and edge deduction. These are the three different type of deduction. Okay, so here finding the discontinuity is to run this is the point. First one is the here this is the one image. For example, this is a kind of image, so it consists of a point. These are the point. Okay, this is a kind of discontinuity. Here the another one is there is a line available, so this is another one kind of discontinuity. Here this is a edge. So there are three region in this images. The first region is this is the first region, because all this region consists of one color, black color, and also white color. Here this is another one region, blue color. Okay, this is the third region, green color. Okay, but this image splitted into three part. So in between these two region there is a one line dividing these two region. Okay, that line is called as a edge. Okay, then so deduction and discontinuity in image segmentation are essential aspect of computer vision. So already we saw that it's a meaningful region. Each region consists of a same type of similar characters. Okay, then deduction and deduction of edges and boundary. Edge deduction means already we saw the image. Edge is splitting the two different region. Okay, so that's why we deducting the edge is a very important one. Okay, then so edge deduction is a fundamental steps in detecting discontinuity. This is a kind of fundamental steps. Edge represent abrupt changes. Abrupt changes means immediate changes in intensity or color, or either intensity or color. The edge is a and correspond to the object boundary. So it so edge is a represented as a boundaries. Here these are the two region. This region is a green color region. This is a blue color region. It's split. These two region are splitted by one line. This line is called as a edge. Okay, here they give the explanation about the edges. Okay, so it split the boundaries. So actually we are using the technique called Sobel operator, canny edge detector, and pre-width operator. These are the three different type of technique used to detect the edges. Okay, corner deduction. Two or more edges are intersect or connect at the place is called as a corner or junction point. So we are using the Harris corner deduction, Thomas corner deduction. These are the some of the algorithm used for the corner deduction. Then the image, the region based segmentation. Now we move to the region based segmentation. Thresholding, the image segmentation is performed by thresholding the pixel value based on intensity or color. So the image is splitted or divided based on the intensity or color. Okay, so thresholding value can create clear boundary between regions with a different characteristic. Here this is the diagram. This is a one region. This is a one region, this is another one region. This region consists of a blue, light blue color. This is another one, green color. This two region is splitted into based on the color. Okay, so they are explain, here I give the explanation about the edge, thresholding. So this is a kind of explanation and I give the examples. Okay, then region grouping. Region grouping means, so the pixel, actually the pixel, a group of pixel combined to form a region. So these are all the same character or same intensity value or same intensity color value. Okay, so here the neighboring pixels are also combined with the similarity condition. So this is called as a region grouping. Watershed transformation means the algorithm treat pixel intensity as elevation in the topographic map. So this is the definition. Okay, then discontinuity handling. So suppose in our image consists of a discontinuity, we are using some technique to remove the discontinuity and create a good quality images. So that's why the following are the technique. One is the smoothing and filtering. Smoothing and filtering means noise and irregularity. The image consists of noise and irregularity. This will create a unwanted discontinuity. At the time we are using the Gaussian smoothing. Gaussian smoothing can help reduce noise and create smoother boundaries. Merging and splitting. So the segment in the segment regions are splitted into the segmentation. If the pixel character is same, then we merge the region, or suppose if it is big one, we split the region into two or more parts. Okay, so morphological operation means if the dilation or erosion, that means it's a developed, or erosion means the image is deformed. At the time there will be small dots occur in the images. At the time we are using the morphological operation. Contour means there are two lines splitting the boundaries. At the time we are specify which one is the boundary. We are using the contour extraction. Okay, active contour means some of the active contours are deformable model. Deformable model means uncleared model. Okay, that adapt their shape to object boundary. So it adapt to the shape to object boundary. They are used for more complex and dynamic object segment task. Deep learning and CNN. So CNN is a method used for the image segmentation task. Okay, CNN based method is a UNet, RCNN, FCNN. These are the method used for the to detect the discontinuity. Okay, then the in this topic we are seeing the boundary deduction, region based segmentation, and various post processing method. Okay, the choice of technique depend on here the another one is a deep learning approach also used for the image segmentation processing. Okay, dear student, today we are seeing the deduction and discontinuities in the image processing. It also consists of the segmentation. If you have any doubt, please kindly provide the clearly what you have doubt. So I will clear the doubt. Thank you, student.